Hello friends, myself Shawat Sayyid. So today we are talking about Spring Boot JPA. So what is Spring Boot JPA? JPA is a Java specification for the managing relational data in Java application. It allows us to access a persist data between Java objects, that is the class relational database. So JPA follows object relation mapping, that is the ORM. It is set of interface. It also provides a runtime entity manager. This is API for the processing queries and transactions on the object against the database. It uses a platform independent object oriented query language, that is the JPQL, Java persistent query language. So it contains persistent. It covers three areas. That is the Java persistent API, that is JPI, object relational metadata, and the API itself defined by the persistent package. So JPI is not a framework. It defines a concept that can be implemented by the framework. So why should we use JPI? So JPI is a simpler, cleaner, less labor intensive than the JDBC, SQL, and handwritten mapping. So JPI is suitable for non-performance object complex application. The main advantage of the JPI over the JDBC is that in JPA data is represented by object and classes, while in JDBC data is represented by the table and records. It uses the POJO to represent the persistent data, that simplifies the database programming. That are some other advantage of JPA. So JPA avoids writing DDL in database specific dialect of SQL. Instead of this, it allows mapping in XML or using Java annotation. So JPA allows us to avoid the writing DDML in the database specific dialect of SQL. So JPA allows us to save and load the data object graphs without any DML language at all. When we need to perform a query, JPQL, it allows us to express the query in the term of Java entities rather than the native SQL table and columns. So its feature. So it is use powerful repository and custom object mapping abstraction. So this is all about JPA in Spring. Thank you.